Hello and welcome to our marine channel Mariner's Point. So in this video we'll be discussing about the same formulas related to simple interest. So here are some basic formulas which are related to simple interest. So principal, we know that the amount which is borrowed is known as the principal, and the interest that is the extra money which we pay for, while returning the principal amount is known as the interest. The simple interest is when the sum is borrowed at a certain interest which is reckoned uniformly. So then that is known as simple interest. So this is the naming convention, that is P is for principal, R is for rate, then T is for time. So the formula of simple interest is P into R into T by 100. So from this formula only we can derive P is equal to 100 into SI by RT, R is equal to 100 into SI by PT, and T is equal to 100 into SI by PR. Next is there are certain 2-3 questions, type of questions actually, which usually comes in competitive examinations. So these formats can be easily solved with these formulas. So the first one is the rate of interest for T1 years is R%, then T2 years is R1%, then T2, so by mistake here it is also R1, so here you can assume it is R2. So for T1 it is R1%, T2 it is R2%, then T3 it is R3%. So if a man gets interest of rupees X, then for T1 plus T2 plus T3, which is calculated as n years, then principal is given by. So if it is given that for T1 year the rate is R1, when for the T2 year the rate is R2, then for T3 year the rate is R3, then in that case the principal amount is given by X into 100 by R1 into T1 plus R2 into T2 plus R3 into T3. So here you can see the example. The rate of interest for 3 years is 4%, for 5 years is 6%, and for 1 year it is 5%. And if a man gets interest of rupees 4700 for 9 years, then calculate the principal amount. So we can simply put this formula: P is equal to X into 100 by R1 into T1 plus R2 into T2 plus R3 into T3. So we will get the principal amount. The next is, if a sum of money become X time in n years at simple rate of interest, then the rate is calculated. So this type of question is generally asked in synergy examination. So you can remember this formula, that if a sum of money become X time in n years at a simple rate, then calculate the rate of interest. So it will be given as 100 into X minus 1 by n%. So example, a sum of money becomes 4 times in 20 years. So calculate the rate of interest. So you can easily calculate here. So here x times, so here 4 times, that is value of x is 4 and the value of n is 20. So we can calculate the rate of interest. And the third is, if a sum of money becomes X time in n years at a simple rate of interest, then the time is calculated as. So here we are seeing that the rate is calculated as, now here the time is calculated. So it's a simple thing that you can remember this formula. So n is given here and r is taken here. So it's the same thing, you can utilize that formula. So this formula is very handy and it has been asked multiple times, so please remember it. So this was all about the compound interest and simple interest. So as usual I'll be putting a link for the practice test in the description of the video. If you want to practice, there are multiple questions based on these formulas. So when you practice you will come to know and will memorize this formula by heart. So please practice for the test, and if you face any problems please comment in the video. I will do whatever I can. Thank you.